Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Lexus RX 350 all-wheel drive. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 297 horsepower. For wheels we've got 20-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black and gray leather interior. Sunroof. Plenty of space in the back. Come around back. RX 350 badging. Power liftgate. I said that all season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Alongside. This one does come with a keyless entry. Blind spot assist. Wood trim, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got a steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Push start ignition. Our media display. Rear view backup camera. Navigation. Hard keys for our media display. Dual climate controls. Heated and cooled seats. This Lexus has 34,361 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Lexus RX 350, check out feldmannimports.com.